The manager of the Aruba Center of Excellence, which is an initiative of the government of Aruba and the United Nations and the Kingdom of the Netherlands. And it was set up to help islands share good examples in sustainable development. Because islands around the world, they have similar challenges, just like Aruba, when it comes to making tourism more sustainable, using more renewable energy or being more energy efficient. How do you deal with the waste? So many islands around the world, be it in Tonga or the Seychelles or Aruba, are dealing with the same challenges. So the idea of the center is basically to find out who has great ideas, who has good solutions, and then basically to share that. Because why would islands, spend money, do research, try things, maybe make mistakes if others have already figured it out? So that's the intent of the Center of Excellence. And today we have a session for the Aruban community, but also being live streamed to islands around the world, where we explain what we have done. So we have visited other islands to help them. We have captured case studies from Aruba, for example, Bukuti Resort, which is quite sustainable, but also from ATA, Aruban Tourism Authority, how they have done stakeholder engagement to create the vision for tourism on Aruba. So we also capture case studies, and then we share that through our virtual platform, which you can find at sustenibilidad.org.
O projeto ko a começar na 2016 com certos partners na Aruba. Esta iniciativa do governo de Aruba, governo de Holanda, Universidade de Aruba junto com o TNU. Então a ideia tá com na Aruba tem certo solucion de sustentabilidade que nós queremos compartilhar com outra isla. E de assim também depois para outra isla compartilhar com Aruba. Se sabe que na área 2016, então a tarde o que nós queremos fazer é comunicar bem com a comunidade que nós fazemos os últimos 3 anos aqui com o projeto. Dia cases não tem turismo da hotel Bukuti, que tem hopi de sustentabilidade na implementar hopi de na companhia para save água, energia e também eigenlijk para o trabalhador também com anang também neste guardo você tratar hopi bom de parte sustentabilidade. Então bota coitur não somente é parte environmental of de milieu, pero com bota trata o trabalhador também.
Essa aqui é Arubiano, o website